Let me show you how to remove links from Instagram bio. So looking right here is my Instagram bio. As you can see right here on my Instagram bio, there is a link right there. So in order for you to remove any link on your Instagram bio, you just need to go ahead and click on edit profile like this. Once you do that, go ahead and scroll and click on links. Looking right here, you can see links. Clicking on that, so once you do that, you'll be able to see the link that you've added on your Instagram. So you just need to go ahead and click on the link like this in order to edit the link and clear the link off. Once you do that, go ahead and clear the title as well. If you're unable to click on the good icon like this, looking right here on the screen, you can see where it says remove link. So you just need to go ahead and click on remove link like this and click on remove. Once you do that, you'll be able to remove the link from your TikTok bio. So now going back to your TikTok bio like this, you won't be able to be seeing that link again on your TikTok bio. So this is how simple it is for you to remove links from TikTok bio. Hope you found this guide helpful. We come to the very end of this video. Now do well to hit the like button